Tea tree oil has been traditionally used to heal all sorts of conditions for centuries. Watch this video to the end to see all of the top 10 uses for tea tree oil in your life. 1. Acne. This essential oil is strong enough to kill the bacteria buildup in your pores that causes acne, saving you money on products. 2. Dandruff. Studies have shown that tea tree oil improves hair and scalp health, and can get rid of dry and flaky scalp as well as dandruff. 3. Infection. Tea tree oil's antiseptic properties make it ideal for cleaning wounds. Mix it with another essential oil like lavender to make your own homemade disinfectant. 4. Fungus. Athlete's foot, toenail fungus, ringworm, you name it. Tea tree oil is effective in killing all sorts of these annoying fungal infections. 5. Odor. This oil, mixed with other essential oils, can eliminate a variety of body odors and be used in a homemade deodorant. 6. Sore throat. Ever gargled salt water or breathed in steam when you were sick? Add tea tree oil to both of these methods, and you have a better chance of relieving that sore throat. 7. Cleaning. Mix in this essential oil with water and other cleaning agents and you can a powerful spray to eliminate bacteria and mold. 8. Mouth. Add a little bit of tea tree oil to a homemade toothpaste and mouthwash to improve gum and teeth health. 9. Insects. Tea tree oil can be used both as an insect bite treatment as well as a repellent. 10. Cancer. Mixed with other essential oils like frankincense, tea tree oil can also prevent some skin cancers. Keep in mind, tea tree oil is very strong, so it should be diluted with fractionated coconut oil before using. What is your favorite way to use tea tree oil? Share in the comments below.